For traders, we're going to have a look at the trend sentiment indicator. This indicator gives us these buy and sell signals. If I reset, the buy and sell signals are green and red. Make sure this is ticked to enable the signals on the chart. These are the time frames, and you can adjust the colors. That's pretty much it with the settings. Go OK. I want to make it clear that the buy and sell signals don't necessarily mean you blindly just buy and sell on the signals. What they are specifically for is to bring your attention to the chart when there's a potential buy or sell opportunity. It's so important that you include a little bit more technical analysis. For example, these buy signals here, see how long this green section has been running. You might want to be a little bit more cautious, especially around this end of the spectrum, as the trend's starting to lose a bit of steam. Now, once you see 1-2 rows of red kicking in, and especially 3 or 4 rows, you might want to consider exiting your position. But take out the other indicators. Yeah, you can see buy, sell clearly written on the chart here, or displayed on the chart. See, this sell signal down here is questionable. And as I mentioned, especially when this has been running for a while and you start to see green bars kicking in, right, you might want to reconsider. Okay, so this is when you would think about exiting a trade that you're in and or not getting involved. And we've got rules with the strategy, and my set of rules with this is to always look at the previous swing high to swing low with the Fibonacci, and only look for an entry point, especially on a 4-hour chart, and this would be a 4-hour swing, around the 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci level. I explain this in all of my videos. So if we were to go out to a 4-hour, this is the price swing that I'm talking about, and that's where you want to look to get involved. So the lower time frame signals that occurred down in here, well, they don't show on the 4-hour chart. I prefer to set the signals on the 15-minute, mainly because the indicator is looking at the 15-minute, the 30, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour daily. And I mean, it gives you quite a good signal. For example, this one here, when all the circles on the indicator align the same color. So how to set the alerts? Go to your list of currencies. I start from the top, work my way down. I've already done it, but you can come down here, bottom left, click on the 3 dots, add alert. It's all set up. Just go once per bar and create. You might want to adjust these. I prefer to only have it notify me on my phone app, and I can switch those notifications on or off, and that will go into your TradingView app on the phone. And it makes a little bit of a noise every time it dings. I know that there's a new alert. Okay, so I go once per bar, that's permanent, and then create, and that's it. And do that for however many currency pairs, indices, metals, crypto, whatever you want to trade. It'll work quite well. Okay, so that sums up the trend sentiment indicator. This is the latest version as of the 8th of November. We've just released this version. There's 6 bars in the indicator. Previously we were using these. I'll show you. We had the old indicator that had 3 bars, and then we altered the time frames. We added them together and altered the time frames in the settings to give us the 15-minute through to the daily. But yeah, we don't have to do that now, as we have this latest version. Okay, so that's the trend sentiment indicator.